I won't blame you if you say that the Oppo Find X is the sexiest phone you've ever seen. Just feast your eyes on those curves, that rich color, that genuine all-screen display. And the way the cameras raise when you want to snap a shot. There is really nothing quite like it. But the Find X is more than just its stellar looks. It's a genuinely great phone that puts those pop-up cameras to good use, taking excellent photos. In order for the screen to span nearly the entire phone face, Oppo put all 3 cameras on a module that slides up when you open up the camera. They'll close on their own once you exit the app. You've got dual 16 and 20 megapixel cameras on the rear and a 25 megapixel selfie camera on the front. Like the iPhone X, this 3D front-facing camera uses light to unlock the phone with your face and make secure mobile payments. The camera's main sticking point is that it can be awkward taking photos in landscape mode with that camera module popped out, especially if you're used to holding the phone by its edges. Also, an all-screen face means that you could accidentally press the display when you don't mean to. The Find X isn't waterproof, and there's no wireless charging, but it does have a speedy processor and Android inside. Alas, most of us will have to probably admire the Oppo Find X from afar. It currently sells only in Asia, but if you do find it through an online reseller, check the bands first to make sure that you can still get 4G coverage with your carrier. You and I may not be able to buy the Find X, but I'm hoping its innovative design will inspire other phone makers to raise their game. Eye candy in the phone world doesn't get much better than this.